Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. We are revising important topics in psychology for first BHMS students. This is the topic number 28 and we are going to differentiate delusion from hallucination. So let us find what are the important aspects are there which make us understand both the things, how they differ from each other. This is the table where we have differential diagnosis of delusion and hallucination. There are certain features under which we are going to examine the differentiating points. The very first thing which we are going to deal with is the definition. The delusion is a strongly held belief despite evidence being provided to the contrary. And in case of hallucination, a hallucination is a perception without the presence of a stimulus. Now see what could be the causes for delusion. Delusion has neurological disorders, psychiatric conditions and psychotic disorders. Whereas in case of hallucination, the common conditions which causes is schizophrenia is most important, affective disorders are there and conversion reactions. Concomitantly or associated symptoms may be present with these. With delusion, you will find the patient may be anxious, fearful, and you have to note his speed of continuity of speech, whether he is speaking very fast or very low. Evidence of abnormal beliefs will be there. Thought content, orientation to the time, space and person is disturbed. Attention and concentration is also affected. Insight and judgment as well as short-term memory all are affected. When we talk about hallucination, you will find associated symptoms. They include seeing patterns, lights or objects which are not there. Smelling a foul smell or a very good, very pleasant smell, both can be present. Feeling bodily sensation like crawling beneath the skin, hearing sounds, hearing voices when no one has been speaking or spoken, voices commanding or telling him to do something. That is the important kind of a hallucination, auditory hallucination we have. And the behavior component of the person who is having delusion is a person with delusion may be short-tempered or aggressive, may attack believing that they are under danger or somebody is going to harm them. Believe certain things, those are not true. Behavior depends entirely on the type of delusion they have. And here the person who is having hallucinations will be suffering from auditory, visual or cutaneous hallucinations. They insist, they see things, they hear things, they smell things which do not exist. They can also be fidgety and constantly looking around to see, and they appear to be scared of something. And the types of delusion we have: delusion of grandiosity, delusion of persecution, delusion, erotomaniac delusion and somatic delusions are common. Whereas you will find in hallucinations we have visual hallucination, auditory hallucinations, olfactory, tactile, gustatory and general somatic hallucinations. Thank you very much for patient listening.